Hello students, welcome to today's video lecture. I am Sri D.K. Kamlakar, Assistant Professor for Commerce in Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today we are going to learn MCOM Part 2, Semester 3's subject Research Methodology. In this subject, we are going to learn today what is meant by research and the characteristics of research. Let's start with the meaning of research. Research in common speaking refers to a search of knowledge. Research is a part and parcel of any systematic knowledge. Research has now become an integral part not only academic pursuit but of all other areas like economics, physical science, social science, education, management, etc. In short, no academic body of knowledge and no functional area of activities would progress without adequate advancement in terms of research. Research is the last resort when individuals, organizations and society face some problems for which there are no answer or where there is a inconsistency among answers. The subject of research are innumerable depending upon the education faculty, such as social and private behaviors, cultural habits, consumer behavior, globalization, liberalization, privatization, physical worlds, planets, animals, human beings, transport communication, study of policies, computer. Research is carried out to settle controversies, contradictions, misunderstandings and disputes about the nature of some aspect of the universe. It is a systematic way of knowledge more about the world and is an art of scientific investigation. Research activities carried out by each sector or subject to find out solution in general or in a particular. The term research composed two words, re and search, which means search again and again. Dictionary definition of research is a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through the search for a new facts in any branch of knowledge. Some people consider research as a movement from the known to the unknown. Research is a discovery of facts, developments of facts and verification of facts. Research is an endeavor to discover intellectual and practical solution to the problems through the application of scientific methods to be knowledgeable universe. Research is the process which involves defining, redefining problems, hypothesis formulation, organizing and evaluating data, deriving deductions, inferences and conclusions. After careful testing, to understand the meaning of research, it is necessary to go through the various definitions of research which are given by different authorities. Advanced Learner Dictionary of Current English, Oxford. Research defined as a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through the search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. Random House Dictionary of English Language. Research is defined as a diligent and systematic inquiry or investigation into subject in order to discover or revise facts, theories and application, etc. The process, which includes defining, redefining problems, formulating hypotheses or suggested solutions, collecting, organizing and evaluating data, making deductions, and at last careful testing and conclusions to determine whether they fit the formulated hypothesis. The process of systematically obtaining accurate answers to significant and pertinent questions by the use of the scientific method gathering and interpreting information is called the research. Thus, research can be defined as systematic investigation into and study of a subject in order to establish facts and arrive at new findings and conclusions. Research is a systematic approach concerning generalization, formulation of an theory. Research is a critical, careful inquiry or examination in speaking facts or principles, diligent investigation in order to ascertain something. Now we can learn the characteristics of research. Since definitions of this type of rather abstract, a summary of some of the characteristics of research may be helped clarify its spirit, meaning and methodology. Prediction for future occurrences. Research emphasizes the development of generalization of principles or theories that will help in predicting future occurrences. Direction towards solution. Research is directed towards the solution of a problem. Accuracy in observation and description. Research demands accurate observations and descriptions. Basis of research is experience. Research is based upon observable experiences and empirical evidences. Gathering the new data. Research involves gathering new data from primary or basis source or using existing data for a new purpose. Research in a scientific program. It tells us the relationship between cause and effect. Research is directed towards what the solution of a problems or to answers questions. Research emphasizes the development of generalization of principles of theories which are helpful in prediction. Quest and for answers. Research involves the questions for answers to unsolved problems. Patient activity. Research is characterized by patient and careful activity. Social relevance. Research for the sake of research is not a research. Research always has a social relevance. Objective and logical. Research strives to be objective and logical, applying every possible test to validate the procedure employed, the data collected and conclusions reacted. Carefully designed procedures. Research activities are more often characterized by careful design procedure, always applying rigorous analysis. Needs expertise. Research requires expertise, that is skill necessary to carry out investigation, search the related literature and to understand and analyze the data collected. Task to discover, develop and verify knowledge. Research is an endeavor to discover, develop and verify knowledge. It is an intellectual process that has developed over hundreds of years, even changing in the purpose and always searching the truth. Careful, critical inquiry. Research means a careful, critical inquiry or examination in seeking facts or principles. diligent investigation for ascertaining something. Dear students, today we learn a meaning and definition of research and also learn the features and characteristics of research, which is for our syllabus in MCOM Part 2 Semester 3. If you have any queries, doubt, please contact me. My contact number is 973 000 5683. We'll see you in next video. Till time, thank you.